Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. About to do a review on these new Meta Ray-Ban, see how they work for video vlogging. Stay tuned. I can tell you the fit on them is good. They're not moving. So far so good. We'll just have to see what the footage turns out to look like. Alright guys, so we're leaving Starbucks. Let's continue reviewing these Meta glasses to see how they work for motorcycle vlogs. Guys, so we just made it back. Have to go in, do some editing, and see how these videos turned out with the Ray-Ban Meta glasses. Okay guys, so we just got done doing a review on the Ray-Ban Meta glasses. I'm going to go over a few of the negatives and a few of the positives. Some of the negatives, these glasses are geared more towards TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts. And the reason why I say that is because when you're recording on these, you can only record in vertical intervals. You cannot record in horizontal. Now you can go into your phone and modify the video into a horizontal, but you are going to lose some footage by going that route. You have 1, 3, and 5 minute recording times, which I believe is a lot better than what the Gen 1s were, because the Gen 1s were, I believe, 30 seconds recording time. So you do have the option of 1 minute, 3 minute, and 5 minute recording times. You can record in 1080 or 3K. I've recorded in both, didn't really notice a difference, so I've set mine to, recording in 1080 because you get longer battery life by doing that. The Gen 2s are supposed to have 8-hour battery times on them. I've never seen anybody get 8 hours out of it, and I guess it just depends on what you're using them for. If you're using them a lot, if you're asking Meta questions, taking a lot of photos, taking a lot of videos, you're probably only going to get 4 to 5 hours out of one charge. Now, when the battery's getting low, you can just put them into the case, and they say after 20 minutes of charging time in the case, you get 50% battery back. So with the battery, or with the phone case, on a full charge, you can get up to 36 hours of charging time. The price on these are starting at $379. That's with the clear lenses. You can get them in the transition lenses, you can get them with the dark lenses, or you can get them with the clear lenses. I went with the clear lenses because I went on Amazon. You can actually get the transition lenses for under $20 on Amazon. So that's what I did, and I've got the transition lenses in them now, and they work great. Some of the positives. These are very easy to operate. Once you Bluetooth them to your phone, once you take them out of the case and put them on, they automatically connect to your phone. So you hear a little noise on there when you put them on because you have little speakers right over the ears. You can play music, whatever that when it's connected to your phone, you can do pretty much through the glasses. Very easy to upload videos. Once you record a video and you're on a Wi-Fi connection, you take the glasses off, put them into the case, it automatically downloads that video to your phone. Or you can instantly take the video and download it straight to Instagram or TikTok or YouTube Short. Hands-free recording. I mean, to me, that's one of the top things is you don't have to hold. You can actually, do what you need to do and still record and not have to worry about holding the camera. The case, as you can see on here, it has a USB-C charger. That's how you charge the actual case. But once it's fully charged, you open it up, you'll see a light here, and this is your charging point. So when you put the glasses in there and you push them down, it automatically starts charging your glasses. just like that. You'll shut the door, and when the light's green, it means your battery is fully charged. I guess the big question is are they worth $380? That's kind of up to you and what your goal is on using them for. The main reason I like them is that when I'm riding the chopper, I wear an open face helmet, so I don't have a GoPro mount on my helmet, so I can wear those and do video, you know, without worrying about a GoPro. But I'm kind of on the fence on if I think they're worth it. I'm going to just continue to use them and see what I can get out of them and go from there. But I am interested, guys, if you have a pair, what you think of them, how do you use them, and do you think they're worth it? So with that being said, guys, I appreciate you coming back to Lone Star Two Wheeling. Please like and subscribe the video, and absolutely free, helps out the channel tremendously. Have a good one.